Good evening time, my Michelle teacher. I will present what I study in United Way. We start with basic needs. In just human beings, there are several basic needs for our daily life, such as food and drinks, entertainment, health, education, money, communication, and home. We continue why simple past. The simple past we use to narrative habits, routines, situations that do not change as facts. Its structure is simply that we use to affirmative, subject, verb in infinitive, and complement. Sentences she worked hard. Negative, subject, news, verb in basic form, and complement. Sentence I don't job in the house. Interrogative. Do, subject, verb in basic form, complement, and interrogative. Sentence do you study for the class? Also, past continuous. The past continuous general refers to situations or actions that are taking place at the moment. Its structure in affirmative is subject, verb to be, verb ing, complement, and complement. Sentence we are studying the present continuous. Negative. Subject, verb to be, not, ing, and complement. Sentence she is not working in my office. And interrogative. Verb in to be, subject, verb ing, complement, and interrogative. Sentence is she walking in the morning? And finally, listen to. We use the modal verb listen to indicate something that happened or happened in the past on regular basis. Also, it is using for something that using should be truth but is not longer true. Its structure. Affirmative subject listen to verb complement. Sentence we used to go to the beach every summer when I was young. Negative subject things listen to verb and complement. Sentence I didn't like mustard before, but not I do. Interrogative dice subject listen to verb complement and interrogative. Example, didn't you smoke a lot? Thank you very much.